This 5-minute solution will show you how to solve big apps or game not installing problem on App Store. So if you're trying to install a app or games from App Store but the app not installing because of it's big, just follow these quick solutions to fix this problem. Go to your settings, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, enter here your screen time passcode, tap on installing apps, select allow, go back from here. Now scroll down and tap on App Store, enable automatic downloads and enable apps here, and tap on app downloads and select here always allow, and then check the issue. And the second solution is log out of App Store and log back in. Go to your App Store, tap on your profile photo at the top right, scroll down, tap on sign out. Once you sign out, sign back in and check the issue. And the third solution is if your iPhone storage is almost full, it may be the reason of big apps or game not installing. So you have to clear up your iPhone storage. To do that, tap on General, iPhone storage, and all you have to need just offload unwanted apps from here and then check the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.